Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the scratch disk full error in Photoshop 2026. If you're seeing this message while trying to edit, don't worry. This usually happens when Photoshop runs out of space for temporary working files. The good news is that the fix is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly, step by step. First, open Adobe Photoshop 2026. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click Edit, then Preferences, and then Scratch Disks. If you're on a Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings or Preferences, and select Scratch Disks. This section controls where Photoshop stores temporary files while you work, and that space is very important for performance. When the Scratch Disks window appears, look at the drives available on your computer. Select the drive that has the most free storage space, and uncheck any drives that are nearly full. After that, click OK. To make sure the change takes effect properly, restart Photoshop. This gives the program a fresh start with the new scratch disk location. Next, if the drive you are using is low on storage, it's a good idea to free up some space. Open File Explorer, then find your main drive, which is usually the C drive on Windows. Right-click it and choose Properties to check how much free storage is available. If space is low, delete unnecessary files and empty the recycle bin. Photoshop generally works best when the scratch disk has at least 20 to 50 gigabytes of free space, so keeping extra room available can make a big difference. If Photoshop is still slow after changing the scratch disk, you can clear temporary memory inside the program. Go back to the Edit menu, select Purge, and then choose All. This removes temporary data such as the clipboard and undo history. Just keep in mind that after using Purge All, you won't be able to undo previous edits, so only use it when you're ready. Now, if Photoshop won't open at all because of the scratch disk error, there's still a way to fix it. On Windows, hold Ctrl and Alt while launching Photoshop. On Mac, hold Command and Option as you open it. Keep holding the keys until the scratch disk preferences window appears. From there, choose a different drive with more free space and click OK. That's it. By changing the scratch disk, freeing up storage space, and clearing Photoshop's temporary data, you can quickly fix the scratch disk full error in Photoshop 2026. Thanks for watching.